This video will show you how to stream a E-Series DVR to a E-Series NVR. So here we're at the local interface of our E-Series DVR, and we have a CVI camera connected to channel 1. So we'll go ahead and right click, go to main menu, and then go to network. Here we're just going to show you the IP address that we're using. Okay, so go ahead and take note of your IP address. And now we're going to connect to the NVR. So here we're at the local interface of the NVR now. We'll go ahead and right click, select main menu, and then we'll go to the network settings on here. And now you'll notice we're just 1 octet higher, and we're on the same local network. And keep in mind you can also use a public IP address and stream remotely. Okay, so now we'll go to main menu. At this time we'll select camera, registration, and then manual add. And here you're going to go ahead and enter the DVR's IP address. Then go ahead and enter the DVR's password. And now since our CVI camera was on channel 1 on the DVR, we'll just select remote channel number 1. If it was on channel 2, we would select channel 2, and so forth. So select OK, and now your camera is online. And that is how you stream a E-Series DVR to a E-Series NVR. Thank you for watching.